IIT Kharagpur will be conducting the GATE 2022 exam on February 5, 6, 12 and 13 as a computer-based exam. Candidates willing to appear for the GATE 2022 exam must have a proper study plan to ace the exam. Here in this video, Careers 360 provides GATE 2022 preparation tips for the candidates. GATE 2022 preparation tips. Know syllabus and exam pattern. Candidates must understand the GATE syllabus and exam pattern completely in order to have an overview of the exam and study the right topics. Prepare study timetable. A proper timetable should be followed by the candidates so as to complete the entire syllabus before the exam. Best books. Candidates should refer best books for GATE 2022 suggested by toppers and experts. Revision. As it is said, revision is the key. Candidates must provide proper time for revision in their study plan. Mock tests. After covering the syllabus, candidates are advised to practice more and more mock tests daily and analyze their performance. GATE preparation tips by experts. Various experts have suggested students to solve the last 10-year GATE papers. This will give students clarity on the exam pattern and type of questions that may be asked in the exam. For the list of best books for other GATE subjects and preparation tips, click on the links in the description box.